So hi and hello. Welcome to our channel named Algo Exploration. My name is Samir. Now in today's lecture we are going to see that how to find the prefix sum array. Okay, I have shown this concept in many lectures, but today I thought that I'll be showing this concept separately because in the future videos if I refer to use this concept, okay, I'll simply refer this lecture rather than explaining again and again. Okay, so let's say what is actually the prefix sum array. So if we take an array 1 2 3 4 5, okay, now if we want to find the prefix sum, it will be simply this sum till that point. That means, let's say if I'm talking about this place, the sum is nothing but till this point. If I talk about this place, the sum is nothing till this point. Okay, if I talk about this, the sum is nothing but till this point, and so on. Okay, so the thing is that we can simply have multiple for loops. That means if we talk about this, then at this place it will be 3, the, at this place it will be 6, then 10, and then 15. Okay, now if we talk about the pseudocode, it will be looking like this: a brute force pseudo code for I equals to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, now after that, let's say if you want to find the sum till this point, that is 6 of this, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3, we can be present here and we can go till index 2, right? Index 2, and we can simply find the sum. So for j is equals to 0, and it will be gone till less than equals to I by finding the sum on the go. Sum plus equals to a of j. That's it. Okay, and after that simply store pf of I is equals to sum. Okay, this is the one approach. You can, if you try run this, you will get this prefix sum. But we can optimize this. Why we have to first of all optimize this? Because we can say the pseudocode leads to order of n square, right? And we don't want that. So if we observe clearly, we can see that, let's say if we talk about this, it is simply but this sum of previous prefix sum value plus the current a of I, right? If you talk about this 10, it is nothing but previous prefix sum value plus current a of I. Similarly, if you talk about this, it will be nothing but sum of this and this, right? So we can simply have, first of all, pf of 0 is equals to a of 0, because here we can simply copy this element because there is no sum in it. Now we can have one for loop in which the I will be running from 1 and it will be gone till n. Why 1? Because we already stored pf of 0. Now for this place we can have simply previous sum, okay, and current a of I. Okay, so pf of I is nothing but pf of I minus 1 plus a of I. That's it. Using this one single for loop, we are able to make the prefix sum array rather than having this pseudocode. Okay, so what will be the time complexity for this? It will be simple, order of n. And if you talk about the space complexity, for this it will be simple order of n. But let's say uh, here I'm talking in terms of Java. If this array is not final, okay, that means if we can modify this, okay, then we can simply convert this original array into prefix sum, right? Just have in this place add this and this, in this place add this value which will be 3, okay, and this that will be 6, and so on. But let's see, if the original array is final, then we have to have this prefix sum array separately. Okay, so here is a condition. I hope you got this. So that's it from my side. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.